Hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be using onions juice for hair growth, guys. So this is my onion that I'm going to be working with today. So onion helps a lot in terms of hair growth. I remember back then when I have a very long hair and huge hair, and I also still use it on my children's hair back then. Okay, I want to continue with it again because I have cut my hair. I want my hair to come back to normal, to grow back. Okay, so as I have washed the onions, so I am going to slice it now before blending. Okay, so if you want to grow your hair, onions also helps to grow hair a lot. Okay, so give it a try. You are going to thank me later, guys. Hair growth journey is not something of one day. It's not something of one day at all. So if you want to really grow your hair, you have to be consistent. You have to make sure that you have time for that your hair. Okay, if you don't have time, that hair is not going to grow well. Okay, until you have that time. Okay, so you have to be consistent, and if you really want your hair to grow faster, so I think you'll be treating your hair 3 times a week, 4 times a week. That's when you now get a better result from it. Okay, so I am going to be adding a bit of water to it. Okay, and this is normal water. Okay, so I will be adding water to it. So I'm going to use it for like 3 to 4 days. All right. So guys, I'm going to be throwing this away. So guys, this is it. I want to apply it on my hair now. So stay tuned and let's do it together. Are you seeing my hair? My hair is growing so fast, you know. So you are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega. So guys, you know that hair growth journey is not easy. It's not easy because some people, when they try it for like 3 months, they'll give up. You don't need to give up. As you can see, my hair is not up to 6 months that I start treating it. Okay, as you can see now, the hair has grown already. So this is it. It's growing every day, you know. So you have to keep on doing it. See, my hair is growing so fast. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It's reaching here now. So my hair was very short before, you know. So if you want to see it, go back down my video. You'll see everything. So if you're that type of person who always feels itching in your hair, so I think you should use this onions water, so it will help you a lot, you know. Yeah. I'm going to use it for like 3 days. Okay, I'll use it till it finish, and to preserve it, I'm going to keep it inside fridge after I have finished with this one right now. After I finish with this first applying, so I'll keep it inside my fridge, inside my refrigerator. Okay, because I don't want the strain to weak. Okay. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. So guys, I'm going to use this bag to cover it for like 30 to 35 minutes. If you are doing it for a child, yes, you can use it on your child hair. You can use it for a baby. And if you are doing it for a little girl, a little child, so you will leave it for 10 to 12, 15 minutes, highest 15 minutes, okay? So before you will wash it, okay? So that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, okay? Thank you for supporting me. So I'm going to keep this one now inside my fridge, okay? Not freezer, fridge, okay? You can use it for children, okay? Men can also still use it. If you want to grow your hair, if you are a man, so you are free to use it 3 times a week, 3 times. 3 times a week. So that's when you now get a powerful result. Okay, use it 3 times a week. You can, if you have a lot of chance, so 4 to 5 times is also okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Help me to share my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.